Hello, Roger here. Today I will take a look into This Train is Bound for Glory. It's a fantastic song by Woody Guthrie, covered by Bob Dylan, covered by Johnny Cash, and many others. A lovely song. And I will do it in the key of E. It's actually only three chords. It's a beginner or an easy song. I prefer to play a bass like this. We'll play E, chord E, and the string 6 and 4. And the next chord is A, A. On the A you play string 5 and 4, and on the chord B7 you play also string 5 and 4. And I will also show you one way to play, give the bass walk a little more flavor, if you see what I mean. And yeah, we'll try. This train on the E. This train is bound for glory, up to B7. This train is back on E. This train. Here I prefer to have a E7. Put my pinky on fret 3, string 2 on the chord E. Oh yeah, up to A. Holy, holy, this train is bound for glory. This train, E, B7, E. Okay? This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train, oh yeah. This train is bound for glory. Oh, holy, holy, this train is bound for glory. This train. And as I said, I will do the bass walk a little different. Take the chord E with your index finger on fret 2, like this, same chord, E. And I play a walk bass, a downstroke and down up. And I play on fret 4, string 6 and 5. This train, no care, no gamblers, this train. Yeah, this train, don't care, no gamblers, to B7. This train, don't care, no gamblers, lies sleep, the big shot rambler. This train, oh, may bound for glory, this train. What I actually prefer is to vary it, to use both patterns on the bass walk, and then it becomes something like this. Start, as we said, on the chord E, string 6 and 4. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. Oh, holy, holy, this train is bound for glory. This train, no care, no gamblers. This train, no care, no gamblers. This train, liars, thieves, big shot ramblers. Oh, this train, don't care, no gamblers. This train. I hope you get an idea about how I want you to play this song. If you prefer to sing in a high key, you can use the capo. And one more little thing. I've got a foot tambourine, and it's a song that's nice for clapping, and also the tambourine to use it on this song. Very nice. So good luck with this one.